Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please my channel subscribe, like and share. Thank you.
Oh my god, where am I? What happened? What is this place? I don't remember anything that happened yesterday. I just remember I went to a party and... Oh god, I have a terrible headache. Why does my head hurt so bad? Finally, you woke up. I thought you never would. How do you feel, bro? Who the hell are you? What is this place? Why do I have this terrible headache? I see. You don't remember anything that happened yesterday, do you? No, I don't. I just remember I went to a party with my friends from work. I don't even know who you are or what place is this. Please, I need to go home right now. Wow, you really drank too much yesterday. Of course, you know who I am. My name is Joshua. I work in the marketing area in the same company as you. We didn't talk much at work, but I know who you are. You're Chris from the design area, right? Yeah, I am. You said you're Joshua? I don't really remember you right now. And what is this place? Is this your house? Why am I not in my home? Yesterday, we had a party. I mean, it was the company's anniversary party. All the members of the company went there, including you and me, of course. We celebrated, danced, sang, and drank alcohol. You drank too much, and I brought you here. This is my home. I brought you here because you couldn't go to your house. Seriously? Don't you really remember everything that happened yesterday? No, I don't. I just remember we went to a party, but that's it. What happened? Many things happened, my friend. I can't just tell you did a lot of things last night. And not all of them were good things. By this time, you're probably fired. What? What are you talking about? What did I do? Tell me everything, please. Okay, I will tell you everything that happened yesterday. As I already told you. We went to the party, the company's anniversary party. It was a big party. Everybody was there. My boss, your boss, all the members from the different areas. The secretaries, the manager, and the general manager. Even the cleaning staff was there. Anyway, I arrived earlier than you, at about 7 p.m., and everything was very quiet. We were dancing, drinking, making jokes, and having fun. It was really cool. Anyway, you arrived at about 10 or 11 o'clock, later than the rest of the people. It seemed like you had already drunk alcohol before arriving to the party, but not too much. Yeah, I remember that now. I had gone to another party before going to that one. I drank and danced with some friends from my neighborhood. Then I got there. Yeah, well, you looked really happy when you arrived and really excited. You greeted everyone at the party and then you bought some drinks for everyone. You just took your credit card and paid for dozens of drinks. I didn't expect that to happen. Yeah, I remember that. I was just planning to invite my boss some drinks, but that's it. Maybe I was already drunk when that happened. Oh my god, I hope I still have some money. Well, I hope so, because you have to pay for some broken glasses. You broke some yesterday. And you said you were gonna pay for them today, so you have to go back to the bar later. Oh my god, I don't remember that. But anyway, what else happened? After you invited the drinks, you danced with everyone, even with the boss. I must say, that was funny to watch, bro. You dancing with Mrs. Woodman. I don't remember that, but I love dancing, so that was very possible to happen. Yeah, well, that was just the beginning of all the things you did yesterday. After you danced with the boss, you were dancing alone in front of everyone at the party. You danced really bad, I must say. Anyway, everybody was looking at you. And of course, laughing at you. You were the only one dancing there, in the middle of the bar. You said you were a professional dancer. Yeah, right. By that moment, you were already drunk. So, after dancing too much, you... Well, I suppose you know what happens when somebody who drank too much starts moving a lot. Oh no, please don't tell me. Don't tell me I threw up at the party. I'm sorry, man, but yeah, you threw up a lot. And not only that, you did it in the middle of the bar. Everybody was looking at you when it happened. You vomited on the secretary's blouse. That was gross. She had to leave the party because of you. Don't you remember? No, I don't remember that, but I suppose that happened. Oh my god. Then you were too drunk that you started talking about politics, religion, conspiration, and so on. And it was not an interesting conversation. It was, how can I tell you, really stupid. Anyway, after that, you went to the bathroom, but when you came back from the bathroom, you said a man was staring at you while you were, you said that. It was Tom, the supervisor from the supplies area. You tried to punch him, but you couldn't. You were too drunk to move freely, so you just tried to do it, and Tom was really angry with you. He said he didn't even know you, and he didn't stare at you in the bathroom. Anyway, after that, you fell asleep in one of the tables over there. It was 2 a.m. Damn, I don't remember anything, but everything you have told me... I know it was not good, but it's not reason enough to fire me, don't you think? Oh, I haven't finished yet. After you fell asleep, you woke up at about 4 in the morning. We were about to leave, and I was going to help you take a taxi or something like that. But you didn't want it. You wanted to stay and dance more, keep drinking. I told you it was too late and we were already leaving the party, and you said no. So the boss came up to you and told you that you had to go home. And I don't know, maybe you confused or you were just too drunk, but... But what? No, please. Don't tell me I vomited on her blouse too. It was worse than that. You tried to kiss her. No, you kissed her. By force. You told her you knew she was in love with you, and that's why you were doing that. She pushed you and slapped you. She didn't say anything, but she was really angry and ashamed because you did it in front of everyone, including the general manager. That's when I took you to my home, so you can sleep and get better. Damn, bro. Never seen something like you did yesterday. It was wild. Oh no, I can't believe I did that. Oh my god, what am I gonna do? Well, I guess the first thing you have to do is take a shower and eat something. Then call the boss and apologize to her. I hope she can understand. Yeah, I guess I will have to do that. Thank you so much for helping me, Joshua. Don't worry, I couldn't leave you there. But next time, please, do not drink alcohol. Nevermore, I promise. Oh my god, my head hurts a lot. I hope you liked this conversation. If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend.